Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Outlook error, cannot send this item. If you're seeing this Outlook message, it often means there's a formatting issue in the email you're trying to send. One simple fix is to create your message in plain text instead of a richer format. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you're on the main mail screen and fully loaded into your inbox before moving on. If Outlook takes a moment to sync or display your folders, give it a few seconds so everything appears correctly. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left area of the screen and click the New dropdown. This is where Outlook gives you options for creating different types of items. Since we want to test sending a standard email message, this menu is the right place to start. From that dropdown, select Mail. This opens a new email draft window. You should now be looking at a blank message where you can prepare the email again using a simpler format. If you were previously trying to send a message that kept failing, this step helps you start fresh in a way that can avoid the original sending error. Next, go to the top toolbar in the message window and click on Option. This section contains settings related to how your message is formatted and sent. It's important because Outlook sometimes creates emails in a format that includes styling or elements that may trigger the "cannot send this item" error. After opening the options in the toolbar, click on Switch to Plain Text. This changes the email from a formatted message into a simpler text-only version. Plain text removes extra formatting, embedded styling, and other elements that can sometimes interfere with sending. That's why this method is often effective when a message refuses to go out. Once you've switched to plain text, you can continue composing your email and try sending it again. Keep in mind that plain text won't include features like custom fonts, colors, or certain layout formatting, but it is often more reliable for troubleshooting send issues. If the problem was caused by formatting, this should resolve it. If needed, you can also retype or paste your content carefully into the plain text message to avoid bringing over the same issue again. That's it. You've now gone through the steps to fix the Outlook error, "cannot send this item" by switching your message to plain text.